If you are on the search for the best cute girl hacks, don't worry, because us here at Ready Set Viral are here to bring you the top 7 cute girly hacks. Let's head into it. Number 1, lazy lipstick. This one is if you have no time to even put on lipstick in the morning. All you have to do for future days is get an eraser holder like so, and take the eraser out and wrap it around in clay like so. Then get your regular lipstick that you use every day and melt it in the microwave and pour it into the actual mold. Once it's hardened, take it out, place it in the eraser holder, and then place the cap on. You can decorate it with glitter foam or anything you'd like to label it with, and once you actually have to use it, it'll take less than 2 seconds to apply. Number 2, eyeliner in seconds. For this one, you're going to need kinesiology tape or medical tape. Place it around your nose up until your eyes, and then over top of your eye, just like so, to make the eyeliner shape. Then wipe eyeshadow all over your eye, and once you take the tape off, you will have the perfect eyeliner shape. Number 3, a quick makeover. If you are looking not your best on one day and you really want to quickly do yourself up, if you have some lipstick in your makeup bag, you can use this for your entire face. All you have to do is use it as regular lipstick and then dab it on your cheeks just a little bit and blend it out with your fingers and place it on the top of your eyes as well to actually give yourself a little bit of a makeover. It's the perfect hack when you're in a time crunch. Number 4, a fresh way to revive your dry lips. All you have to do is get a beetroot, peel off the skin, and then use the peeler as well to slice a little bit of it like so. Leave the slices out until they're all dried out, and once they are, use a mortar and pestle to crush them up. Then add some Vaseline into it, and you will have the perfect natural scrub for your lips. Also, when you wipe it off, your lips will have a cute little red stain on them. It doubles as a lipstick. Number 5, natural eyeliner. If you're all out of eyeliner and you need a natural way to actually come up with some more, first, get a few tablets of activated charcoal and add some drops of distilled water to it. Crush it with a toothpick until you get an even consistency like so. Then, in a separate bowl, get some aloe and crush it up like so and add it to the activated charcoal. Then, add a few drops of coconut oil and using a eyedropper or syringe, place it into your empty eyeliner container. Then you'll have some natural eyeliner all to yourself. Number 6, a cool way to do your lipstick. If you are bored with your single color lipstick, get an egg and place a second color of lipstick onto the egg in a circular shape. Then on top of the color you've already placed on your lips, we chose red, place the yellow onto your lips, and it will transfer from the egg and blend perfectly. Number 7, a makeup holder. If you have a makeup bag and you'd rather have a convenient holder, first get a plastic folder and cut a strip out of it. Get a leather piece of fabric and some double-sided tape and attach the strip to the leather fabric. Then grab your first piece of makeup and place it inside the strip of the folder and double-side tape on the other side of the makeup. Do this with all of your pieces of makeup and you will have a convenient folder. Once you're done, you can actually roll it up and get a string with a knot on the end and hot glue the knot to the end of the leather fabric. Once you're done, wrap it around and tie it, and you have a convenient makeup holder. Anyways, guys, that's all we have for you today on Ready Set Viral, and if you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!